Hey, what's going on, everyone? Anton Stetner here. I want to give you guys a little update. I'm over here in eastern Washington at Sun Cove at my parents' house. 5th of July, totally sun-scorched. It's about 91 degrees today, probably in the mid-80s right now towards the end of the day. But what's really been happening is there's a big forest fire that's going on between Chelan and Wenatchee. So I'm in a Rondo Entiat area, and then basically across the water is Highway 97. Highway 97 goes up this canyon. I believe it's called like the Navarre Coulee Road or something like that. It's Highway 97A. And there's and I'm trying to figure out how many, but there's between 100 to 400 acres that's on fire. So there's these helicopters that are coming in. They're coming down the Columbia right here in front of the property, and they're scooping water right out of the Columbia River. There's a little police boat going around, and then they're just taking it off to the fire and dropping it on there. So I got some footage I'm going to show you of that. It's basically nearly impossible for me to record this because everyone keeps trying to interrupt me. I'm like, dude, just let me record my little YouTube video. So up next, a little bit of footage of that. Hey, thanks for watching what's going on, everyone. Please subscribe above, comment below, and we will update you more as we go. Laters.